To make your friends list private on Facebook, start by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android phone. Next, select the menu option, which is typically located at the bottom or top of the screen. Once the menu opens, scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. In the Settings section, scroll down to Audience and Visibility, and choose How People Find and Contact You. From there, find the option that says Who Can See Your Friends List, and select it. You will then have the option to choose More, and at the bottom of the list, select Only Me. By doing so, your friends list will become completely private, and only you will be able to see it. This change will prevent others from viewing your friends list on Facebook.